केटाकेटा भन्छ है मार्ने बित्तिकै हरायो
हरायो को खरायो भन्दै
कि खरायो जसमा फिलिली दौडिन्छ नि होइन कि त्यो अर्को नि त्यो चिल्सीमा खाँदा एउटा
कान्ते
कान्ते खतरा छ है
कान्ते त क्याप्टेन हुन्छ अहिले
हेलो वनराज
खतरा दौड्ने है
हेलो प्रकाशी किल दिया ले
के भन्ने
ano bro wonraj oi hey juice mano bola le bro le no hey le kila di jalan tu dia ya le sling Atas.
Marked a location.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no retreat, I'm obsessed with the pain, I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be getting one day. Society's restraints, money, clout, fame, love, disease, and play. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name, all our insecurities are on display. War with the enemy, think that it was meant to be, living in a time where disease is on every street. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak, no mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quit the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, but this logic can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Oh! To I'm waving, I could change the past. All I'm watching, got the foot on the gas. Never stop competing with the great last. And this life's gonna eat and make mistakes real fast. And you learn how to beat 'em if you take off the cast. You can see all the healing if the pain's in the past. Move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep 'em out your face, no way. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Trenches like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you see greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim. I'm built to last. With the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past. I'm achieving, got my foot on gas. Never stop competing. If you break the glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. It's real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the gas, you can see all the healing if the pain's in the past. Put your foot on the gas, no, never stop competing, yeah. Yeah, I spit raps like a heart attack, fast fatal heart impact, past painful scars. In fact, I blast tasteful thoughts and past. I back up my actions, fact don't ask, grab reactions, jacked attack with every word, then act with class as they hear me snap. I got nothing to lose, cause I fought and felt the bruise. Now I'm not the one confused, call the shots that they produce. I ain't lost, I'm finally loose, pick a new silver excuse. I need the views to boost me to a new abuse of being used. Everybody wants a piece now, y'all can rest in peace now. You're dead to me, so peace out, remember you're discreet now. Get ready for defeat now, I'm gonna make you bleed out. Listen on repeat now and weed out all the weak now. Get up and make a change, don't remember yesterday. If you got something to say, speak your mind before your grave, cause your life is yours to save. Ain't nobody gonna change, everybody stays the same. So be different, make a name, huh?
I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I march until it's over, and just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I march until it's over, and just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I march until it's over, and just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I march until it's over.
It's ridiculous, I'm spitting this meticulous and limitless, while others out there spitting shit got hits up on the charts and shit. I see why other artists quit, cause people don't reward good shit. They love to hate but hate to live. Society, you swing and miss, and honestly I get it. Promise me you won't regret it, wasting energy, forget it. Don't look back, go on and get it. Bite the bullet just a bit, bite your tongue and don't say shit. Make your actions hard to miss, be a legend not a myth. Yeah. It's obnoxious that I'm conscious, rapping honest as promise. Try to harness, as an artist, stay modest. It's a long quest, I will not quit till 10,000 people going off when I drop this. I gotta make it now, swear to God I'm breaking out, swear to God I'll pick them out, send the stage with the crowd, cause I got it figured out. I'm just honest and I'm loud, saying modest but I'm proud, no I never had a doubt.
Just like
Yeah.
a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer. I march until it's over, and just like a soldier.